I have been a Hindi medium student. When I joined college, I faced the same problem. Initially, I thought that this is because my grammar is weak. So, I worked on it a bit. But still, I was not able to speak English fluently. Then I realized that to speak any language, you do not necessarily need to learn its grammar. As a child, I started speaking Hindi when I was 3 years old, but the grammar was taught to me years later. All you need is confidence that whatever you are speaking is correct. But gaining such confidence is easier said than done. I mean, how do you convince yourself that you are good at something when you know you are not? Then I realized that a big part of any language is spoken using a limited set of words and phrases. So, now it was time to learn those frequently used words and phrases. For this, I started watching a lot of English TV series and news stories. Now, I started gaining confidence. I could have a conversation with my South Indian friends in English who were not good at Hindi. But still, I used to choke in pressure situation. I could not ask questions in lectures. I could not make announcements from the stage. I could not talk to my crush. To solve this issue, I started talking to myself in English. I used to read a single news topic from 3 to 4 sources. Then, I would stand in front of a mirror and talk to myself regarding that particular news item. This gave me more confidence and also improved my accent a bit. After all this, I was fairly comfortable with English. Now, I was able to have a proper conversation in English. Initially, I failed at some instances, but that is a part of any learning curve. Now I needed to improve my vocabulary. I believe there is no shortcut to it. I have been reading English newspaper for the same. Also, I try listening to people speaking English. It gives me an idea of common mistakes that people make while speaking. For example, a lot of people use second form of verb with did. Whenever I find such issues, I make sure to not make the same mistake myself. During the whole process, it's important to stay positive. Always remember that it's okay to be bad at a language that you have never spoken. There is nothing wrong with it. I am not saying that my English is perfect. Probably there are some mistakes in this answer itself. But with my current level, I can have a comfortable conversation with clients sitting in UK. I can talk properly in an interview. In most of the situations, English is not a thing for me to worry about. Thanks for listening.